So the new task experience in Outlook on the web has launched, and this experience brings the branding from Microsoft To Do and a few of the Microsoft To Do experiences into tasks in Outlook on the web. As an example, let's have a look at how it works. So we'll click on this first task here. We can see the Microsoft To Do options are here. But the other cool thing that we get is we get rich text formatting in the notes of our tasks. So I've just put a little hello world down the bottom here, but I might get rid of that and show you how you can do it. You just do some text, select it, Control B, bold, Control I, underline, Control U, Control I, italic, Control U, underline. This rich text formatting has also rolled out to the Microsoft To Do on the web experience too. So yeah, the Microsoft To Do experience is now integrated in Outlook on the web, and that feature is marked as launched.